The Rockler Center Offset Marking Tool lets you take care of two tedious tasks with one convenient device. The first is drawing a center line on the edge of a board. Just put a common number 2 pencil in the center hole, place the tool on the board, twist it until the posts make contact, and then slide. Just like that, you have a perfectly centered line on boards up to 1.5 inches thick. The second job is marking offsets or reveals for jobs like installing moldings. Just flip the tool, butt it against the board, choose the offset, and slide the tool to draw the line. It marks offsets from 1/16 to 1/2 inch from the edge in 1/16 increments. When you're done, you can take advantage of the built-in magnet to store it on a metal surface for easy retrieval next time. The Center Offset Marking Tool, another Rockler innovation to help you create with confidence.
Presenting the 314 Set and Match System, a complete do-it-yourself workshop you can custom build to create your own layout and marking tool. The system starts with the patented 314 Set and Match ruler. One of Capro's most popular creations, the 314 Set and Match is a professional quality ruler with 2 sliding markers with a horizontal and vertical vial. This patented feature lets you easily measure, transfer, and mark anywhere. The 314 has clear and durable markings along the ruler's edge and angle markings on the ruler's face. There are 2 scales ranging from 1 to 30 centimeters and 1 to 60 centimeters with a 0-point marking for easy centering. The 314 Set and Match ruler comes in lengths ranging from 20-inch 50 centimeter model to a 48-inch 120 centimeter model. You can begin to expand the system with the 314 T-square accessory, which turns a set and match ruler into a versatile T-square with a built-in storage compartment and handy magnetic strip for holding nails and screws. The T-square head locks firmly into place on the end of the ruler in one of 2 positions: the ruler flush with the back of the square head or elevated for placing on a surface edge. A built-in ledge keeps the T-square head in place when the 314 is placed on an edge, allowing you to move the ruler with one hand and cut or mark with the other. Moving the 314 is easy with a sturdy handle which slides along the ruler's face and has an integrated auto-lock mechanism which keeps the handle in place for a sure grip. The 314 also has horizontal and vertical knife guides that smoothly slide along the ruler's edge and lock in place for a safe and accurate cut. The 314 Set and Match system is an ideal tool for a wide range of do-it-yourself jobs, including setting and aligning shelves, cabinets, mirrors, stencils, and wallpaper, marking and cutting long lines on walls, wood, drywall, and cardboard, marking and cutting angled lines, and much more. Capro's 314 Set and Match system, one of the most unique and smart do-it-yourself tools available.
You've probably done it. You need to round off the sharp corner of a tabletop, so you scrounge for something, a can, a lid, a coin, that you can use to trace a curve that's reasonably close to what you need. Rockler's corner radius routing templates offer a quicker, more accurate, and more easily repeatable way of not just tracing, but also cutting precise curves on sharp corners. The set includes 3 durable templates that provide 12 different radii, along with a fence that offers excellent control when working at a router table with a bearing-guided flush trim bit. Using them is easy. Pick the radius you want to machine on the corner and snap the fence into place. Clips and posts on the fence allow quick alignment, and rubber strips on the bottom of the template help prevent shifting. Put the template on your workpiece and set the bit height so the bearing will run along the edge of the template. Make sure the posts and clips are tight against the edges of the workpiece, grip the finger hold, then route in the direction indicated on the fence, keeping the bearing against the edge of the template. You end up with a precise radius on your workpiece that requires only a little finish sanding.
From the creators of Tie Boss, the world's easiest tie down, comes Jaw Boss. Jaw Boss is an innovative tool that makes cutting firewood safer, faster, and easier on both the operator and his equipment. Easy to use, you just slide Jaw Boss into your receiver hitch and you are ready to go. Once Jaw Boss is in place, simply insert your firewood log and start cutting. Jaw Boss holds the log securely and at a height that makes cutting safe and easy right down to the last piece. No more dulling your chain on dirt and rocks when cutting on the ground. No more risking injury to your toes cutting that last piece that twists and rolls under your foot. Jaw Boss can handle logs of less than 2 inches in diameter, which is ideal for cutting kindling or smaller wood for a campfire. Jaw Boss can also handle larger wood up to 9 inches in diameter. From short pieces up to logs 30 feet or longer, Jaw Boss holds them all securely and at the perfect height, making your firewood cutting much safer, much quicker, and much easier on the equipment and the operator. Jaw Boss is also useful as a construction tool. It holds dimension lumber securely for measuring and cutting. It's like having a sawhorse with someone holding the other end of the board. Jaw Boss has yet another use. It's the perfect tool when peeling logs for furniture, deck rails, or spindles. It holds the end of the material securely, allowing the log to be peeled for almost the entire length. Turning the log is quick and easy, even with one hand. There are no straps to secure and release. No sawhorse getting in the way. Yet another way that Jaw Boss makes a difficult job quicker and easier. A one-of-a-kind product, Jaw Boss would be a welcome addition to anyone's tool chest. Jaw Boss saves time and effort for the operator. It saves wear and tear on the equipment, and it makes many jobs easier and safer. Jaw Boss, another innovative product from the makers of Tie Boss.
So we're going to introduce our double stack Feather Pro, and I'm going to assemble it, and we're going to run a board through and make a cut and show just how it works. It's got all the same features and benefits as a single Feather Pro. And here we go. We're going to assemble it and set it up. It is designed to have independent movement, a small amount, and it will come with the ultralight feathers as they're the ideal insert to use with a double stack. So we're going to set it just like you would a single, and it's ready to go. That's it.